Have you ever thought about making money while sitting at home? Maybe even while you're sleeping? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you there's a real way to earn $7,000 in just 1 week, even if you're a complete beginner? In 2025, people are using something called Amazon affiliate marketing to make this happen. Don't worry if that sounds confusing. I'm going to explain everything step by step in a simple way, just like a friend telling you a cool secret. Before we jump into this powerful Amazon strategy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on smart ways to make money online. Let's start with the basics. Amazon is one of the biggest online stores in the world. People buy millions of products from Amazon every day. Now imagine this. You help someone buy something from Amazon, and Amazon gives you a small piece of the money from that sale. That's affiliate marketing. You don't have to make the product, pack the box, or talk to the customer. You just share a link. If someone clicks your link and buys something, you earn money. Sounds fun, right? In 2025, this strategy has become even more powerful. Why? Because people now trust product reviews, YouTube videos, and blogs more than traditional ads. Let's say someone is looking to buy headphones. They search on YouTube, best headphones in 2025, and they find your video or blog. If you talk about your favorite headphones and give them a link to buy it on Amazon, they might click it. And when they do, cha-ching! You earn a commission. That's how it works. Now you might be wondering, but I don't have a blog or YouTube channel. No problem. In 2025, even short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts can help you earn. All you need is a phone and an idea. For example, you could make a quick 30-second video saying, "These are my top 3 Amazon gadgets under $20. Show the products, talk about them for a few seconds, and add your Amazon affiliate link in the bio or comments. If your video goes viral, you could make thousands in a week. Let me tell you a story. There's a guy named Liam, a 22-year-old college student from Texas. He didn't know much about marketing or selling, but he loved making short videos on TikTok. One day, he made a video about a cool kitchen gadget he bought from Amazon, a small machine that chops onions without making you cry. The video was only 15 seconds long. He said, "This tiny thing just saved my eyes while cooking." He added his Amazon link in his profile. That video got 3 million views in 3 days. And guess what? He made over $7,000 in just 1 week from people buying that gadget through his link. Liam didn't have a fancy studio or camera. He just used his phone and talked like he was talking to his friends. That's the key. People love real, honest opinions. If you show products you actually like and talk about how they helped you, people will trust you. And when they trust you, they're more likely to click your link. Now, let's talk about where to find these products to promote. You don't have to buy them all yourself. Amazon lets you browse different categories: tech, beauty, kitchen tools, pet supplies, and more. Pick a niche you like. If you love pets, find cool pet products. If you love gadgets, show fun new tools. The idea is to focus on one area so people know what to expect from your content. Loving the tips so far? Just a quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly strategies. Now let's talk about how to join the Amazon affiliate program. It's free and super simple. You go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, make an account, and then Amazon gives you a special link for any product you want to share. This link is unique to you. That means when someone clicks your link and buys something, Amazon knows it came from you, and they give you a small reward for it. Here's the cool part. You don't only get paid for the item you shared. Let's say someone clicks your link for a $10 phone holder, but they also buy a $500 TV on the same visit. You get paid for the entire order, not just the phone holder. That's how the money adds up fast. Many people don't even realize this, but it's one of the big secrets behind earning $7,000 in just a week. Okay, now you're in the program and you have your links. What next? You need to get traffic. That means people need to see your content. Don't worry, you don't have to dance on TikTok unless you want to. You can make simple videos like Amazon favorites, top 5 budget gadgets, or things I bought that changed my life. Talk naturally and be helpful. Keep your videos short and fun. People have short attention spans, so get to the point fast. Show the product, explain why you love it, and end with link in bio. Some people also post image carousels on Instagram or create Pinterest pins with Amazon finds. In 2025, visuals are everything. Clear photos or videos with helpful text can bring in thousands of clicks, and each click is a chance to earn. Here's another story for you. Mia, a 28-year-old mom, started sharing her favorite baby items on Instagram. She wasn't famous. She just posted simple pictures and short captions like, "This bottle warmer saved me at 2 a.m." Moms loved her real talk. Soon, she had a small group of followers who trusted her. Every time she shared a link, she got sales. One day, she made a post about a baby swing. That post went viral in a parenting group, and boom, $6,900 in 1 week. What did Mia do right? She picked a niche she cared about, baby products, shared honest thoughts, and posted regularly. That's all you need. No fancy tricks, just be real, helpful, and consistent. Now you might ask, what if my video doesn't go viral? Good question. Not every video will, and that's okay. Think of each post like a tiny worker. One post might get 100 views, another might get 10,000. But if you keep posting, you're building an army of tiny workers that bring you clicks every day. And remember, Amazon cookies last 24 hours. That means if someone clicks your link today but buys something tomorrow, you still get paid. Now let's talk about how to stay organized and make things easier. In 2025, we're lucky to have tools that do the hard work for us. One helpful tool is Canva. You can use it to make nice-looking images or short videos for your posts. It's super easy to use, even if you're not a designer. Want to show off a cool Amazon product? Just take a screenshot, upload it into Canva, add some fun text, and boom, you have a professional-looking post ready to go. You can also use Bitly to shorten your Amazon links. The normal affiliate links can look really long and messy. Bitly turns them into short, clean links that are easier to share in your video descriptions, bios, or comments. And guess what? Bitly also shows you how many people clicked your link. That's helpful because you'll start learning what kind of posts your followers like the most. Now, here's a big tip. Stay consistent. Don't expect to post one video and make thousands overnight. It happens sometimes, but not always. The people who make big money with Amazon affiliates usually post every day or a few times a week. The more content you put out, the more chances you have to be seen. And once a few of your posts start getting views, the snowball effect kicks in. More views, more clicks, more money. Also, be honest with your audience. Don't pretend to love something you've never used. People can tell. If you're real and helpful, they'll trust you and keep coming back for more. You'll start building a small community, even if it's just a few hundred followers, who actually click your links and support your content. Here's one more story to inspire you. Jordan, a high school teacher, started sharing his favorite office tools on YouTube. He didn't try to go viral. He just uploaded one video per week. Top 5 Amazon desk items for teachers. Slowly, teachers and students started watching. His videos didn't blow up, but they brought in steady traffic. One day, a teacher group on Facebook shared his video, and that week, he made $7,400, all from links in his description. So what can we learn from Jordan? You don't need millions of views, you just need the right audience and helpful content. People love solving problems, saving time, or finding cool items. If your video or post helps them do that, they'll click. And when they click, you win. In the end, making $7,000 a week with Amazon affiliate marketing in 2025 is real, but it needs effort, patience, and creativity. You don't need fancy gear, a huge budget, or expert skills. Just pick a topic you enjoy, post helpful content regularly, and share your links with confidence. The best part? Once your content is out there, it keeps working for you, even while you sleep. If others are doing it, so can you. Just start small, stay consistent, and let Amazon do the rest. If this video gave you new ideas or even a little motivation, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their online journey. More simple, step-by-step money guides coming your way. So stick around.